So what's new in the Treasure Valley for VA, government, or anything else lending-wise? So right now, you've got a few things are happening. They're rezoning Boise. So they're going through and figuring out what they're going to tear out, what they're going to remove. Are they going to put more apartments in? Are they going to try to put more affordable housing? So a little combination of all that's basically going on in the proposals right now. The thing we hope doesn't happen is you tear out old and put apartments into those things. I mean, it's desirable to try to put first-time home buyer, try to get houses where people could move into a smaller house. And that's kind of what the design to go through and do. But everyone kind of fights against that because if the lot costs so much money, it's hard for them to put a lower end, smaller house into that. But that's ultimately what needs to happen. I frown upon too many apartments. I know that's what everyone first needs to go through and do it. But then you start pushing people just purely being in apartments, not home ownership is something I believe in, and everything else needs to happen. So let's hope these people are wise when they're going through and doing these build outs and stuff, that all the stuff in Boise will affect Treasure Valley as a whole. So we want to go through and make sure we're doing everything correctly on that. So if you got any questions, please reach out to us. We'd love to go through and help you in any way we possibly can. We're here for you all the time. So thank you.